Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you this trade that I took, which was a reaccumulation on EuroCAD. So first, I'm just going to replay it just because it is lower time frame. And I'm going to show you guys on a blank chart how I got there, and then I'll show you on my real chart what it looks like right now. There's a slight difference in brokers. I always use Awanda. So first, I was here on EuroCAD, and I seen that we had up structure. So first, it was down structure. And a lot of people look at the chart to say, okay, we're uptrend, downtrend. But unless you actually draw, that's when you figure out what you're in. Because it can look like one thing and be another. So that's my lowest low. And then I have my high, low, high. So that was when it was downtrend from all the way here. And then I got a new high, which broke all that structure, and a new low and a new high. So you guys need two lows and two highs to actually identify when you're changing structure. Okay, so that's what I was looking for buy. So we already left the bottom of this part right here. So I wasn't really looking for an accumulation, but for a reaccumulation. So I'm just gonna delete that structure. I'll put the structure back up for the uptrend. So I was looking within here. So this is lower time frame, and I don't recommend you guys have too low of a time frame, just because when you're learning, it's going to be hard for you to find things. But fortunately, I was able to find this opportunity. So like I said, I was looking for a reaccumulation, and I was looking in here actually. Okay. So I was looking here, I seen kind of this order block unhealthy push. So first, coronavirus! I noticed this wick, and I took that as a buying climax. So I do use different type of schematics other than the WYCKOFF book, which I have available in my program. So for now, I'm just going to type it out as I know it to be. So that'll be a buying climax, AR, ST, up thrust. This is just a test here. This is another sign of strength. Okay, so this is my continuation of structure, because we're not breaking structure, because we're not changing directions. So if you don't understand the difference between continuing structure, regular structure, and breaker structure, I'll go over that in my course. But most importantly, I have to identify my trading range. So my trading range is my climax and my AR. This is important because the secret sauce that you have to learn with experience and mentors is that your entry should align with your trading range. And when I say align, I mean your entry should literally be your trading range. So here, I noticed we had this unhealthy price action, and I was looking for a little bit of a gap or clear identification of a POI here to make sure I can go here. Okay, we do have it on the 4-minute here as well. Okay, so that's my entry. Actually, it's better aligned on this broker. So that's my entry. So this trade actually was pretty funny because I woke up and obviously checked my NT4, and I didn't have any limits activated, and I was trying to make money, and we're just chit-chatting in my group chat, my private membership, link in bio, and someone just wanted an example of something. I forget what it was, but this trade actually activated like literally after they sent a message, and then I was able to use this as an example. So my stop loss was about 3.6. Now, take profit. Everyone's messing up on the take profit. You guys, equal highs, nearest equal highs. Not this, not this, not this. Nearest equal highs mean if we literally go into the trade right now, where is the nearest equal highs to tap us out? So here, it would be here. So it's not over here. It's not passing through all these candles. Literally the first high that brings you there. So that would be here. So I trade from an 8.5 to a 10, 10.9 max, as long as it doesn't say 11. So here we get a 12. Okay, so I have a 3.6. My minimum is a 3. So I'm using this wick right here. I'm going to take this down to here. And then I have a 10.33. Okay. So in my other example, I think my stop loss may have been different, but let's just redo it and see how it works out. Okay, cool. So as you guys see, it actually changed. So if I would have put this up to here, change my stop loss, whatever. But I got out the trade before it turned around, you guys. It's not about knowing what the market's doing. It's about getting in and out. So this was a reaccumulation. And once it reaccumulated, market turned around. So this is what I just did for you guys in real time. My stop loss on my real trade, no editing, was fully... So on the 5 minute, as you see, like I said, my stop loss was a little bit higher. So my stop loss that I actually used was a 4.4 on a different time frame. Anywhere between the 3 minute and 5 minute I was using, right? Down there. And my stop loss was here. You guys, like I said, I woke up around, I wake up early. So, I wake up at like 6, kind of check the charts. And then I started talking to the students around 9. And then I literally, you guys, from 9:30, in 30 minutes I hit take profit. So I woke up, I looked at my MT4, no money, and then an hour later, money. Okay, so your take profit is just as important. If you would have said, well, I'm scared of a 4.4, I use a 25 pip stop loss, and I want to take this all the way to here, you wouldn't have made money. So I really teach how to get the right risk to reward, the right stop loss, and knowing how to use it and knowing how to get out on time. Because you have the best setup, the best entry, the best risk to reward. But if you don't hit take profit and actually get out before the market turns around, you will lose money. So hopefully you guys got value. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video.